Hello, this is Dr. Santhi Vardhani, General Surgeon from Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad. Actually, very few lady surgeons are available as we are seeing in the society. So, any breast problem is there for the ladies, they feel inconvenient to go to the male surgeon. So, that's why I want to tell about a breast lump or otherwise some swelling in the breast and also in the underarms. Those underarm swellings are different and breast masses are different, but majority of the times many women, young women are suffering with this underarm swellings mainly because of the overgrowth of the fat or otherwise accessory breast. We can call it as a extra breast. Slowly the swelling will increase and it is discomfort to the young girls to wear the sleeveless and it causes some discomfort while moving also. The joint movement will be sometimes obstructed. So better to see a surgeon and get rid of it with a small incision. It won't be visible also afterwards once the surgery is done. It is very simple and neat procedure. Within one day, for breast lump or otherwise underarm swellings, you can get good surgery without much complications. Thank you.